Hello, I'm Janelle Geronsin with Berkshire Hathaway California Properties, and welcome to 19165 Croyden Terrace in the beautiful presidential tract of Turtle Rock Irvine. Please come and join me. So I'm sitting in one of my favorite rooms in this home. I love the vaulted ceilings throughout this living room and dining room, the wide open spaces between here, anchored by the fireplace, and then the double set of doors that open onto each side, which really creates such a great entertaining space in this home, with the functionality of being able to ebb and flow outside and through this area so easily. If you love being in a kitchen where you have the capability of creating a chef's delight meal, you've got fabulous Thermador appliances throughout this kitchen. You also have a sink with a view. You have a great space for a dining nook, as well as more of an intimate family room off to the kitchen as well. This generously sized primary suite offers easy accessibility to the rear grounds or a quick dip in the jacuzzi through two sets of doors. You've got a gracious bathroom space as well as a cedar-lined walk-in closet. Along the back hallway of the home affords you 2 additional bedrooms and an office with built-ins, or the capability of having 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath. In addition to the 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms found on the right side of this home, there is also this 5th bedroom space and another full bathroom. This really allows so much additional functionality to this floor plan, whether you need a 5th bedroom space, a craft room, an exercise room, or a caretaker's area. If you are looking for a true single-story residence in a great location, this home just may be the one you've been waiting for.